Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. We are going to make an illusion drawing today. Alright Bubbles, let's go! For this, we will require a scale and a pencil. Now, why don't we start making a border which is approximately 1 centimeter? Yes, let's do it on all the 4 sides. Make sure the size of the border is equal on all the 4 sides. Now, let's draw a square. Why don't we make a line for both the corners? Yes, that's right, on the left bottom corner. Yes, let's make a slanting line and join it. Now, let's start making standing lines for the small square which we made right here. And after that, let's make sleeping lines. Try and keep it at equal distance. This is great. Now, why don't we start making sleeping lines? But before that, let's mark dots at equal distance. And after that, let's start making standing lines by joining the center dot. Once we are done with that, let's start making sleeping lines. Let's complete the entire thing together. This is how it's going to look. Now, let's use our sketch pen and start tracing. Yes, we will trace all our lines. Why don't we complete it? Once we are done with that, let's place our scale in such a way and start marking standing lines at alternate boxes. It will look something like this. If you see it carefully, this looks like a wall. Now, let's do the same thing on the other side as well. We will keep our scale in slanting line and start making line in alternate boxes. Now it's time to color. At first, we will start coloring in a slanting line. Let's try and color alternate boxes. Why don't we make this together? This looks exactly like a chessboard. Once we are done with this, why don't we start making boxes for the border? Let's make boxes at equal distance. And finally, let's color alternate boxes. Well, it is going to look something like this. And finally, why don't we take our HB pencil or shading pencil and start shading the wall parts? We are going to make it a little darker at the bottom and lighter on top. And finally, let's smudge it. And well, your 3D drawing is ready. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.
Paper plane!